आ रहे हैं। मणिपुर के ये बच्चे और इन सबसे राहुल गांधी यहाँ पर मुलाकात करते हुए तस्वीरें आप देख सकते हैं। ये चूड़ाचांदपुर की है जहाँ पर हिंसा हुई और हिंसा के खिलाफ स्थिति बनी। बच्चों के साथ राहुल गांधी और
Don't do that outside. I can't allow that.
बच्चे हैं वो
I have to present to everyone. No, I don't. No. It doesn't matter. Please. No.
Please move.
No, please. No, I can't be wrong. Please. No, please.
थोड़ा साइड प्लीज सर हट जाइए ना शॉर्ट्स बना
I can't be quiet.
शॉर्ट्स बना लेने दीजिए प्लीज
सर प्लीज
हम भी लेना है। मणिपुर से तस्वीरें इस वक्त हमारे राहुल गांधी पहुंचे और इस वक्त तस्वीर में आप देखेंगे कि छोटे छोटे बच्चों के साथ
राहुल जी आप लोग हट जाइए भैया ये कैमरा आपका कैमरा को थोड़ा हट दो राहुल जी आपका बाएं वाला से
राहुल गांधी यहाँ पर आए तो चूड़ाचांदपुर में काफी हंगामा हुआ उनके काफी
हाँ जी सर गार्ड हो रहा है थोड़ा सा
लेकिन इसके बाद भी आप देखिए कि
थोड़ा गार्ड
na party o sa people o sa lalo.
Just lang zo. चल
Tumna muna ito.
Rahul Gandhi's convoy stopped in Manipur. Convoy stopped near Imphal airport. In fact, Rahul Gandhi's convoy stopped at a checkpost. The Congress has said that the cops stopped Rahul Gandhi's convoy. Congress saying the reason for stopping Rahul Gandhi's convoy is still unclear. Rahul Gandhi, who is in Manipur for a visit, his convoy has now been stopped by the cops, is what we are picking up at this point in time. But the Congress party is saying they do not have any clarity yet as to why Rahul Gandhi's convoy has been stopped. His convoy, remember, has been stopped at a checkpost in Imphal. So these are the initial details we are picking up at this point in time, that Rahul Gandhi, who is on a visit to Manipur, his convoy has been stopped there in Manipur. In fact, the Congress party is saying that they are not sure as to why his convoy has been stopped.
Ano, dia natin sa pula. Na pakyo sa kimpa o sa ngalo.
Yes, nang zo zo. चल चल
Ito na muna ito.